First, let's open up Photoshop CC 2019 and import our image. Select the Lasso tool, and click and drag around the image you want to keep out of blur. Go to Select, Select and Mask. Under View, select Overlay. Click the minus icon to refine and add more image portion to blur, or plus to subtract. Select Show Edge, and change the radius value to about 4. Select Decontaminate Colors, and press OK. Double-click the background layer to unlock it and make it visible. Select the Lasso tool again, and raughtly click around the object that will stay focused. Go to Edit, Fill. Under Contents, select Content Aware. Go to Select, Deselect. Go to Filters, Blur, Lens Blur. Change the radius value to set the amount of blur effect. All done. Please subscribe.